Beneath the vaults of Zen, where light fears to tread, the shadow of the dark entity stirs on the blank canvas. This is a work of dark fantasy art, purely fictional creation. I trace not a fixed monster, but a dweller of eternal darkness. The hunched contours, the irregular limb joints that twist beyond natural laws, the blurred facial area that eludes human cognition. These lines are the whispers of the subterranean abyss. Mix ash gray with the gloom of cave walls, stain with crimson the traces of ancient shadows. These are not hues, but the filth of ancient tunnels, the residue of forgotten abysses. They cling to the canvas as the dark entity clings to the dark. All depictions are part of artistic creation, no real scenes involved. The final stroke awakens its hunger,